In today's episode on WarpDriveM, we are going to continue working on the Mini Cooper, which is right in here where we left it the last time, and we are going to start the video with a regress, not a progress, because we have to tear everything apart what we worked, because we have a bad oil pan gasket leak, and in order to remove the oil pan we have to remove the radiators. We don't have to remove completely the radiators, we just have to take the front apart and push it out a little bit, but I'm going to take it completely out because I will have more space, and I can replace the oil pan gasket. But let me show you what we received first, and after that we are going to start. We received the bumper, it's done, it's perfect, no more strange marks from the bond or stuff like that. I just have to clean it, this is just dust. It's primered everywhere. I just have to sand it with 1000 or 600 and we can directly paint this. I received finally the clips for the hood, for the side skirt, all the types. I've ordered more that I need because I want to have some spare, of course. We have everything, the bumper is fixed, the car is done, but like I've said, we have to start by removing the oil pan gasket because it's leaking so bad. Time to drain the oil now, and after that we are going to remove the fan for the power steering wheel, the engine support, engine mount in here, and all the nuts and bolts. It has just bolts. But we have to wait till tomorrow because I have to receive the key to untension the belt, and we have to remove the compressor, and we are good to go. Oh and check this out, see how bad it's leaking? All the edge of the oil pan is wet and there is a lot of oil, and I started the car just one time or two times for a few minutes and it's all wet already, so that's why I have to do this. Just a second to see if everything's okay. It's okay, and the oil doesn't look that good, it's way too black for a new oil, so somebody didn't change the oil. Another common leak, this is the front of the car, and in here we have the crank shaft position sensor, which is bolted right in there, see that, right in there, and this leak is completely done and gone. It's just plastic, it's not rubber anymore. We have this on order, we have a lot of oil in there, so we are going to replace that as well. We have almost all the bolts out, we have the engine mount out, the fan out. Clearly we don't have any kind of bolts in here between the gearbox on the front as well. We just have 2 or 3 bolts in here where the compressor is, but like I said, I have to wait till tomorrow when I receive the key in order to remove the belt, and we can remove the oil pan, and another problem solved. Now we are going to sand the whole bumper with 1000 grit, and we are going to paint this. I'm quite curious how the end result will be like, because I have no idea what I'm doing when I have to do paint work or stuff like that. So let's begin. We are prepared for paint. I'm a little bit scared, to be honest. because I don't want to ruin this. It's perfect repaired, yeah, we don't have any kind of mark that was repaired. But it's time to do some paint, yeah. We have the paint here, color match with the car. We have some protection for the car, but it doesn't matter because we are going to swap the hood anyway. And yeah, scared or not scared, I have to paint this. So yeah, let's see how this goes. First layer, and this should be just a gas, and after that more paint and stuff like that. But I have some problem with these cans. See these points? Yeah, it shoots some points, strange points. Yeah, I'm not sure how I will repair this, but I'm going to continue. I'm gonna leave this to dry, so 10-15 minutes, and after that I'm going to take another can, because maybe this can, where is the can? In here, just a second. See this? It spills some paint from under this nozzle, yeah? I'm not sure why. I'm gonna try with the other different can, and I hope I won't have this problem anymore. But I'm happy to say that the color match perfect, yeah? I hope I can cover these points with the other layers of paint, but it's looking pretty good. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to leave it dry a little bit, and after that 2 or 3 more coats. So quickly everything went south, yeah? See how much paint this can spills out. I'm not sure why, and I put a lot in here just to drain, and we have another run in here and a big one in here. See that? I'm not freaking sure why, and it was so nice. Check this out, it was so nice. Now I think I have to sand. I have to leave this dry, and I have to resand, because I'm no expert. I'm not sure how I can repair this. Holy crap, it was perfect till one moment. So of course I have to repaint in here, in here, in here, in here. Holy moly. Yeah, I fixed it. Check this out. Check this out. You can barely see one drop in there and one drop somewhere in there. Just to see in there, in there, and in there. In here we won't see anything, so you cannot see anything. In here as well. So either way, this is underneath, but we don't have any run. And just a few points in here, but here will be the plastic part. Hey, sorry for my mask, just a second. Just a few, this is just a line underneath, and you won't notice anything. But other than that, check this out. I'm the best, and I have no experience in stuff like this. Oh my god, it's amazing. So yeah, I've noticed that the can drops or spills the paint from under the nozzle, and when I was painting, a drop of paint was touching the bumper. So anyway, I wiped everything fast. I used the heat gun, and after that I've laid another 2 coats, I think. But it's done, boys. We are good. Can you believe this is the bumper that was completely cracked? Now it's completely repaired and painted. Now let's put the clear coat, yeah, the last layer, the first layer of clear coat. I'm going to make a layer of gas, and after that 2 more coats, yeah, of clear coat. I hope I'm not going to ruin this, because it's perfect. I'm really happy with the result, yeah. The bumper is not perfect because it was cracked and repaired, but the paint and everything is in perfect shape. I'm happy with the result. Now I'm going to wet a little bit the floor, and let's put the clear coat. last layer of clear coat, it's done. I'm gonna leave everything to dry till tomorrow. I'm really happy with the result. I have some weird spots on the clear coat. I'm not sure why. This side is completely perfect. Yeah, you can see how the light reflects. Everything is perfect, but I have some weird spots somewhere in here. Maybe you can notice. But I think I can buff that because maybe, I'm not sure why. Anyway, I'm going to buff everything after the bumper is installed on the car. Now I'm gonna start removing everything from the bonnet because we have to prepare the new hood to be painted. Yeah? The hood is disassembled, a lot of pieces. We have the hood in there, but we have to continue tomorrow because everybody's sleeping. It's completely dark outside, and yeah, I'm gonna catch you tomorrow. This is the next day. I'm not really sure what's happened overnight because the bumper doesn't shine at all, and yesterday was perfect. It was shining. We have just a few spots where shines, but other than that it's like a matte finish. I'm not sure why. Maybe I will I have to buff the entire bumper. Yeah, of course I'm going to do that when it's installed on the car, but yesterday was better looking than today. Anyway, it's completely done. We don't have any runs, we don't have any weird spots, nothing. It's just like it shines just over here, and this side it doesn't shine anymore. I'm not sure why. And this was the repair corner. Looks perfect. We don't have any kind of weird spots or weird looking parts yet. It's one piece, one color, painted and clear coated. So, oh yeah, and we have just a weird spot in there. I'm not sure, it's like a matte finish, but like I've said, I'm going to buff everything. And with all of that being said and done, we are going to close this video here. Remove the bonnet from the car. We have the bumper painted in here. I've almost removed entirely the oil pan gasket. I have just one or two bolts, but I have to remove the climate compressor, and in order to do that I need a tool, and I will receive that, I'm not sure, today or tomorrow. But all of that will be in the next episode. So yeah, join me on the next episode if you want to see more progress on this car. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.